Follow the steps on how to create a text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by preparing the text. Here I use the Arial black font. Use the Touch Type tool to move each letter. Change the color to white with a green stroke. Then right-click, transform, and select Move. You can set it like this. Click Copy. Select this one, then press Ctrl+C to copy. Select all and press Ctrl+Alt+B to blend. Go to Blend Options to reset. Press Ctrl+F to paste in front. Then fill it with color. Select and group. Right-click, transform, and select shear. Adjust the angle. In addition, you can also add text below it. Also add a shear effect. Group, then position it to the center. Click the rectangular grid tool to create the background. You can follow these settings. Position the grid in the center, then send to back. Add shear effect. Activate trim view to hide outside the outboard. Lower the background opacity. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.